So you want to learn how to create AI images using only text for free on Canva. I'm Fred from GSD Solutions, and I'm going to teach you how to do that in 3 minutes. So you're going to go to canva.com, and here's the initial page of Canva. You can choose a pre-existing design, or you can create a new one. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one by clicking on the top right corner where it says create a design and choosing a YouTube banner. But it works with any dimension that you choose. So once you're inside your design, you're going to go to the left menu where it says app. It's usually at the bottom below under projects. And after you've clicked on apps, you're going to go scroll down a little bit where it says magic media under popular. Previously, this function was called text to image, but now it's magic media. So there's a few things that you got to do before getting your image. So first, you're going to describe your image with as many details as you want. You can try an example here to see some examples from Canva itself, but I'm going to go ahead and say that I want an image of a horse in a beach. After you've done your description, you're going to create a style, choose a style actually. You can click on none, which means you don't have a preference, filmic, watercolor, photo, dreamy, or animate. I personally prefer photo, so I'm going to go ahead with that one. Then you choose your aspect ratio, which is the dimension of your picture. It can be square, landscape, or portrait. So I'm going to choose landscape, and after you've done this, you click on create your image. One thing you've got to know is that pro accounts have 500 credits, which means that they can generate 500 images a month, and free accounts have up to 50 credits on Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, go to our description in this video and click on the link to create a Canva account. After it loaded, you're going to see there are 4 options here. You can choose each one of these options to see which one is best. And once you click on the images, it's going to become an editable asset on your design. As you can see, I'm doing right now. I personally love this picture of the horse, even though its legs not very well. There's also this one that's really pretty. I think I'm going to go ahead with that one for my design. But if you don't like the pictures that are here, you can either change the description or the style and create again. Or of course you can create again with the same description and the same style just to see what Canva comes up with. I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe and leave a like, and also make sure to recommend a tutorial in the comments because we're always looking out to have the best content for y'all in terms of tech tools out there to use. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye y'all.